Hi everyone! Today there's gonna be a video about unboxing of winter FabFitFun box that I called 2017 and 2018. Why I called it like that? Because I ordered this box at the beginning of December 2017 and I got it at the beginning of 2018. I believe I'm one of the last ones who got this box, and here we go. Finally I got it, yay! So we'll see what's inside this lovely box. That's, by the way, my favorite color. When I was watching other people's video, I was thinking that box actually is much more bigger, but in reality it's smaller than I was expecting it, but it's much wider. I guess there's lots of stuff inside. So okay, let's do unboxing. So I'm gonna be cutting it over here, and then I'm gonna show you what I see. Oof, it's heavy. Look at that. It's quite nice, quite actually big when you open it. So here's inside magazine that, because I watched other people unboxing their boxes, and I know that inside this magazine there is a stuff that you can actually find inside your box, and here they actually telling you in details. So that's how it look like when you just open it, this stuff. So I'm gonna be taking one by one, and then gonna talk about it. So first is Kate Somerville Skin Health Expert, all skin types, exfoliate, intensive exfoliating treatment. I love exfoliation. I love to do exfoliation. It's really nice, and you know, you have to do it at least a couple of times per week. So let's see. Smells nice, and it's full-size product, which is pretty good. So I'll make sure I'll try.
Next one is poncho. I got it in black color. So yeah, pretty warm. It's pretty soft. I love mugs. Mugs, my favorite. I like to drink lots of tea, so I actually needed one for sure. Oh, okay. Okay. Coming in hot. Pretty, simple, nothing fancy. I was actually expecting for something, they had some with eyelashes on it. But okay, a bit disappointed, honestly. A bit disappointed. Um, Next one is, oh, okay. This is the ball for workout with fitness superstar Jillian Miles. I'm not gonna do it now, so guys, you got the idea anyway. So next one is anti-wrinkle and dressing eye mask. Um, I'm not gonna open it up because guys, the mask, you can see. Sorry about that. Yeah, so just inside, and oh my god, they have this stuff that they put inside the box all over my carpet now. Nice color actually for socks. I love this kind of red pinkish colors. So this is gonna be this one. I'm really happy. And oh my god, there's lots of products in there. Wow. So this one, what's in there? Oh, okay. This is the thematic eyeshadow palette in smoky and nude. I don't know which one I got. Did I got it in smoky or did I got it in nude color? Very nice colors. Very nice. There's a little bit of shimmer. So that one is really nice. I love it. Full size again, and you know, really worth it. And last product is, wow, this one is very big, very big. Mineral hand cream, Betsy water. Um, oh yeah, this one smells really good, really delicious. Oh my god, yeah, it's like smells like in spa. That's really delicious smell. I love it. And it's a special edition, limited, special size limited edition. So you can see how big it is. It's even bigger than my hand. That's fantastic. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, that's it for the box. Box is empty, and I will be waiting for my next FabFitFun box, which will be somewhere I believe in March. And do again opening with you guys. Also, I'm doing Ipsigram bags. So my next video will be about opening my another Ipsigram bag. So if you're interested, follow me, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.